Hello, it is question number 19 and it's a fantastic problem and one of the hardest problems that I have seen in KVPY examinations. The problem is given 11z to the power 8 plus 20i z to the power 7 plus 10iz minus 22 equal to 0. Now it's an 8-degree polynomial. The polynomial must have 8 roots. Let the roots are z1, z2, z3 and z8. Therefore, product of all these roots, that is z1 into z2 into z3 up to z8 equal to minus 22 by 11, which is equal to minus 2. Hence I can say that mod z1 into mod z2 into mod z3 up to mod z8 equal to 2. Now, if I rewrite the polynomial again, then it is 11z to the power 8 plus 10iz plus 20i z to the power 7 minus 22 equal to 0. We get 11z into z to the power 7 plus 10i by 11 plus 20i into z to the power 7 minus 22 by 20i equal to 0. Therefore, we have a relation which is z to the power 7 minus 22 by 20i by z to the power 7 plus 10i by 11 equal to minus 11z by 20i. Hence, I can say that implies mod of z to the power 7 minus, I can say that 1 by I equal to minus I, so make it plus I, 22 by 20I whole by z to the power 7 plus 10I by 11 equal to 11 by 20 mod z. Now, if I consider that mod z is less than 1, if I consider the mod z is less than 1, then that gives us mod z and which is less than 1. So, the final condition becomes mod z to the power 7 plus 11 by 10i whole by mod z to the power 7 plus 10 by 11i equal to 11 by 20 mod z. Now, if I consider mod z less than 1, then this 11 by 20 mod z less than mod z and less than 1. Hence we have an inequality which is mod z to the power 7 plus 11 by 10i by mod of z to the power 7 10 by 11i less than 1, and that implies mod of z to the power 7 plus 11 by 10i less than mod of z to the power 7 plus 10 by 11i. Now, this is the distance between z to the power 7 and minus 11 by 10i. Distance between z to the power 7 and minus 11 by 10i, and it is the distance between z to the power 7 and minus 10 by 11i. Now if I draw a sketch here, then these are 2 points. Suppose one of them is minus 10 by 11i and other point is minus 11 by 10i. And from that relation it is clear that distance between z to the power 7 and minus 10 by 11i is more than the distance between z to the power 7 and 11 by 10i. So if I draw a bisector of that segment, then definitely z to the power 7 lies here or here. Because z to the power 7 is keeping a more distance from minus 10 by 11i than minus 11 by 10i. So z to the power 7 lies here. Therefore, that shows mod z to the power 7 is more than 1. So z to the power 7 keeping more distance from minus 10 by 11i. Now definitely it is more than 1 because this is the distance. If I want to measure that distance, then that will be a distance which is definitely more than 1. Therefore it is more than 1, and when mod z to the power 7 is more than 1, then definitely that implies mod z more than 1. So our assumption is wrong, which is mod z less than 1. So definitely mod z more than 1. And also we have proved that product of all roots with their modulus is equal to 2. Therefore, there is no root zi whose modulus is more than 2. Therefore, mod z lies between 1 and 2, and hence mod z square plus mod z plus 1 lies between 3 and 7.